Hello and welcome back to our Business English lesson series. This is part 4, and we'll be continuing our exploration of essential business English phrases. In the previous lessons, we covered a wide range of phrases related to general workplace communication. If you missed it, don't worry, you can always go back and review it later. In this lesson, we'll build on that foundation and introduce some additional phrases and concepts that will be useful in different scenarios. As always, our goal is to help you feel more confident and prepared when using English in a business context. By the end of this lesson, you should have a better understanding of how to express yourself clearly and professionally in various situations. Before we start, I would like to remind you to check out our previous lessons in this series. You can find the links to these lessons in the description below. It's always helpful to review previous material to reinforce your learning and build upon your knowledge. So, be sure to check them out and stay on track with your progress. So, let's get started with part 4 of our Business English lesson series. Are you ready to enhance your communication skills? Let's dive in. Talent acquisition. Talent acquisition. The process of identifying and attracting highly skilled individuals to join a company's workforce. Talent management. Talent management. The ongoing process of developing, retaining, and utilizing a company's talent to achieve its strategic goals. Talent retention. Talent retention. The process of keeping highly skilled employees within a company's workforce. Target demographic. The specific group of people that a company intends to reach with its marketing efforts. Team building. Team building. The process of developing a cohesive and effective team within a company or organization. Thought leadership. Thought leadership. The demonstration of expertise and innovation in a particular field or industry, often through the sharing of ideas and insights. Thought process. Thought process. The mental steps or strategies used to solve problems, make decisions, or generate ideas. Thoughtful insights. Thoughtful insights. Valuable or unique perspectives on a particular topic or issue. To be ahead of the curve. To be ahead of the competition or to have an advantage in a particular area. To be in the black. To be in the black. To have a positive financial balance or to be profitable. To be in the red. To be in the red. To have a negative financial balance or to be unprofitable. To be on the same page. To be on the same page. To have a shared understanding or agreement on a particular topic or issue. To call it a day. To call it a day. To finish work or a task for the day. To catch up. To catch up. To bring oneself up to date on something or to complete unfinished work. To corner the market. To corner the market. To dominate a particular market or industry. To drop the ball. To drop the ball. To fail to complete a task or to make a mistake. To give the green light. To give the green light. To give approval or authorization for something. To kick off. To kick off. To begin or start something, usually a project or event. To let go. To let go. To release or relinquish control over something or someone. To look at the big picture. To look at the big picture. To consider the overall perspective or long-term implications of a situation, rather than focusing on specific details. To play by the book. To play by the book. To follow the rules and regulations precisely, without taking any risks. To play hardball. To play hardball. To act aggressively or ruthlessly, especially in business negotiations. To set one's foot in the door. To set one's foot in the door. To make an initial or tentative entry into a field or organization, often with the goal of eventually achieving a greater role or position. To think outside the box. To think outside the box. To come up with creative or innovative solutions to a problem, often by exploring unconventional or non-traditional methods. To whom it may concern. To whom it may concern, a formal phrase used to address an unknown or broad audience in a letter or email. To touch base. To touch base. To make contact or reconnect with someone, often to get an update or discuss progress. Touch points. Touch points. The various points of interaction between a customer and a business or brand. Transparent communication. Transparent communication. Open and honest communication that is clear and easily understood, without any hidden or unclear messages. Value chain. Value chain. The process of creating a product or service, from the initial concept to the final delivery, including all the stages in between. Value proposition. Value proposition. The unique value or benefit that a product or service offers to customers, often used as a marketing or sales tool. Value add. Value add. Additional value or benefit that is provided to a product or service beyond its basic functionality. Vendor management. Vendor management. The process of managing and coordinating relationships with suppliers or vendors, including selection, negotiation, and ongoing monitoring. Vision statement. Vision statement. A vision statement is a concise and inspiring statement that outlines the aspirations and long-term goals of an organization or individual. It defines the ideal future state or outcome that the organization or individual aims to achieve. A vision statement should be clear, specific, and motivating, and it should guide decision-making and actions. It often includes elements such as the organization's purpose, values, and key priorities, and it should be aligned with its overall mission and strategy. Thank you for joining us in Part 4 of our Business English lesson series. We hope that you found this lesson informative and useful in improving your communication skills in the workplace. But don't stop here. In Part 5, we'll be diving deeper into more advanced topics and scenarios, so you can continue to improve your business English skills and gain the confidence you need to communicate effectively in the workplace. Remember, practice is key to mastering any language skill. Make an effort to use these phrases and strategies in your everyday communication and you will soon see improvement. Stay tuned for Part 5, where we'll be covering furthermore common phrases and expressions used in various business situations. So, if you're ready to take your business English to the next level, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. We look forward to seeing you in our next lesson. Thanks for choosing Business English Scribe.